Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the triangle tortoiseshell acetate earrings. Now this is a quick and easy project, so we only need a few ingredients. But before I dive in, I just want to show you that what I'm going to be working with here is these triangle acetate pieces, and I'm going to be working with the tortoiseshell color, but we do have 6 other colors for you to choose from, so I just want to go over those really quick. So if I could draw your eye up here, we have the black pearl, which is this beautiful ivory and kind of smoky black in there. And then we have the light tortoiseshell, which is going to be a little bit creamier. And then we have this beautiful kind of mother of pearl color. So we call this pearl. So it's really beautiful. It's going to be great for possibly wedding season. And then over here we have mermaid. So it's going to have some of those little teal and pink flecks in it. We have Twilight, which is really beautiful and blue. And then we have Garden Party, which is going to be a little bit lighter, and it's going to have a little bit more of that pink to it. So once you've chosen your favorite color here, you can make this pair of earrings. Now you can of course do this in silver as well, but I'm going to be doing the gold version. I think it's a little easier for you to see in my video here. So we're going to be using this lovely little chain, and it has these little links and there's little pellets, and they're nice and lightweight. I didn't want to add too much weight because the acetate is going to be a nice lightweight wear as it is. So I didn't want to add too much, but just a little metallic element goes a long way. And then I have a couple of earring hooks here. And then I just have 2 jump rings, and these are both 5mm 20 gauge jump rings. And the only tools that you're going to need is a pair of chain nose pliers and a pair of bent chain nose pliers here. And then I have a pair of flush cutters as well. So if you have all of your items ready, let's go ahead and begin. So the first thing I want to do is take this chain, and I'm going to make sure that I get the right length that I want. So I want a nice little drop earring here, but I think about 5 is going to be good enough for me. You can make it longer if you like, or shorter. Let's say you want to do 1 or 2 or 3. You can also do that using this technique as well. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between the 5 and 6, I'm going to take my flush cutters, and I'm just going to come in and snip off that jump ring there. There we go. And just set that aside. All right, so I have 1 piece, and now I'm going to do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm just going to cut that off the same. There we go. All right, so I have a little extra chain that I'll just leave over there. But I'm going to be doing both earrings at the same time here. So now I have that all set up there at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my jump rings. Oops, there we go. Flip it around. And I'm just going to give it a nice little gentle twist to open. I'm going to slip on my little triangle pendant. And then I'm going to slip on one end of my chain. And I can go ahead and close up that jump ring, making sure it has a nice solid closure there. There we go. It kind of snaps into place. So there is one. And I'm going to do the second one here. Again, giving that jump ring a nice little gentle twist, slipping it onto my pendant, adding my chain, and closing up that jump ring. There we go. All right, so that is the base of our earrings. Now the last thing we need to do is we're just going to, again, give a nice little gentle twist to our earring hook up at the top, and we can just slip on our little chain and close that up. So there is 1 earring completed. And then for the second one, obviously the same thing. Give it a nice little gentle twist, slip on our chain, and just close that up. And we are all done. It is that quick and easy, and it's this nice, fun, long, elegant pair of earrings featuring the triangle acetate pieces from Zola Elements. You can get all of these supplies and see even more videos by heading over to Beadaholique.com.